Hello friends, today I will tell you about how to make a cup of coffee latte. So check this out video. First, prepare the cup saucer, sugar, teaspoon, and 1 water condiment. And the second process is turn on the coffee grinder until the dose of coffee is enough. The third process is fill the porta filter with coffee powder and fill until it weighs more or less 18 grams with scales. The fourth process is mash coffee with temper, so the extraction is solid and perfect. And the fifth process is put the coffee into the group head and place the cup below and wait until it reaches 25 until 13 milli and immediately turn off the extraction until it's enough, and prepare about 1075 milli of milk and pour into the milk jug. And steam the milk until it warm. Pour the steamed milk into the coffee espresso and add as you wish. And hot coffee latte ready to serve.